Good evening, guys. Bruce here, and a happy Saturday. One of the new guys in my group asked about how the bar replay works on TradingView. So I thought I'd do a little video, put it on YouTube. Some people may find it useful. So, obviously this is NAS 100, doesn't matter what chart it is, bar replay works on all charts. You have to be prescribed to TradingView. It doesn't work on the free version. So, the arrows at the top here, we click on them and we can adjust it back to any date. As you can see at the bottom, it's got the dates. You can slide it back. So let's stop there on the 12th of April. It'll remove everything to the right. So now, in essence, you're on Thursday, the 11th of April. You can do this by bar. If you click on this one, you can also select date and random bar. I prefer to select bar so I can take it exactly where I want. You can adjust the speed of when you replay it. This button clicks it straight back to the end to current price. This button will play one candle at a time. And if you press play, it will just run. I'm sure you would agree it's a fantastic tool for back testing. You can go back as far as you like on any pair, on any chart, daily, 4 hour, whatever it may be, and you can just play it through. You can then pause it, place some setups, some points of interest, play it out, practice. Fantastic tool on TradingView. If you just want to click out of it, there's an X at the bottom on the right. Just click out of it. Yes, job done. I hope that helps. Any questions, as ever, please ask and please subscribe. Thank you.